Hey there, and welcome to this episode of Consciousness Fucking Empowerment. Here we talk about consciousness, the law of attraction, and how to reach your fucking dreams. I'm gonna pause this music. There we go. I said pause and it paused. Wow, that's powerful. I didn't even push pause. It just paused on its own. I don't know why. Oh, I think because I popped up the browser and the browser kind of had to load. So I made it pause because it just had to work too much. Okay, so welcome to the community. If this is your first time, welcome. Here we talk about how to reach your dreams, okay? We're going after it. Fuck what society says. Fuck everybody else. Okay? So today I'm going to talk about imagination. Imagination. What imagination is and how it's going to help you achieve your fucking dreams. Okay? When I was in prison, I was just using my mind most of the time because, I'm in a cell, a small little cell, smaller than this, like living room, way smaller. And I just had to think about the things that I wanted, right? Good thing I attracted, the Bible and other books on spirituality. So I was able to grasp the meaning of faith, right? Being hopeful, having faith that what you want is going to manifest. I would see myself in college walking on the campus like I'm a college student. Yeah, I was feeling good. I would be on my desk, sitting down, listening to the professor, who was an older white man. For some reason, I just thought an older white man, cool. And sitting down, and I was happy. I was happy that I was in class. And that all those scenes happened. And when they happened, I'm like, I've seen this before. This is deja vu. I saw it when I was incarcerated and I was locked up. So you receive in imagination first, okay? You receive what you want in imagination first. You have it. Now work towards it like I did. I worked towards it by studying in prison and writing, then going out and doing it, applying, getting in, taking the classes, working. But because I already saw the end, all the resources came to me rather smoothly because I knew I was going to do it. So I'm like, okay, I need to find a job. Boom, boom, call my uncle. Hey, can I work with you? Fortunately, I was able to work with him, right? And at UCLA, I was working at Pollo Loco. And I was, on the weekends and at nights and stuff like that. Whew, it actually was pretty tough, actually. But if you want nice things, you got to work. Then, in your imagination, you use your reason, okay? In my imagination, I was walking on the campus, walking to class, right? I don't know where I was going, but I was going somewhere on the campus, okay? When I was visualizing the professor talking, I was taking notes. I was like, they're ready to take notes, okay? So listening to him, I just saw him walking back and forth. I didn't really hear what he was saying, but that was the next step, right? There's movement in my imagination. I'm walking, looking at the campus, or I'm sitting down, walking, watching the professor speak and say something, right? I'm with my pen and paper and ready to take notes, okay? Now, imagination comes first. Logic comes second. And then use your logic in your imagination. What is the next step? Okay? For, let's say, money. You have the money, right? Just don't even look at the money. Just know you have the money. What are you buying now with it? You're buying a Lamborghini. You're buying your parents a house. Are you coming, you're showing your parents the house that you buy. You have a key for them and like, here, this is your house. Boom. Or buying somebody a car, somebody who you care about. Here, this is your car. Here's your key. Or handing over a check. Maybe part of that check that you're gonna give, part of the check that you get, the money that you get, you're giving a portion of that. See yourself writing a check for them, and then going to giving the person or the organization that check. Woo! That's money. Okay, you're seeing the logical next steps after receiving it. It's already done. Marriage. Your marriage, wake up in your imagination. You're waking up and you have your spouse next to you and you're wearing your ring, right? If you like to sleep with your jewelry. I usually do. Maybe a chain and that's about it. But wake up and see your wife, or wake up and see your wife cooking dinner for you. Right? You both of yourselves wake up. Both of you wake up, take a shower. You're getting ready. You're brushing your teeth, and your wife is cooking for you. Or the other way around. You're cooking for your husband, and your husband is taking a shower. Right? That's what you can do. Okay? Just in your perspective, you're gonna be the one cooking. Boom, boom, boom. Like, hey, honey, I'm making bacon and chicken, or eggs, bacon and eggs. I never had bacon and chicken though. I'm making bacon and eggs. What do you want to drink? You want coffee, orange juice, both of them, right? Like both of them. You hear him say both of them or something, right? And then, yeah, that's it. That's the next logical step, right? You want to get in shape. See yourself already in shape, right? See yourself looking at yourself in the mirror. You're about to take a shower, or you just got out of the shower and you're looking at your body like, oh man, look at my abs, look at my chest, look at my triceps. Triceratops. Some dude said that on TikTok. I forgot his name. He's like a cholo fucking like fitness guy. Like he plays the character, like a caricature type of character. But it's funny, man. It's all for fun. Anyway, that's health. We went over money and we went over love. Okay, now you want to win something. See yourself with the check already. I would see myself somebody giving me the prize, but the better thing is like telling somebody about it, right? Or somebody's congratulating you. Like, hey man, I heard you won the AVN awards or the Olympia, or hey, congratulations on the winning the NBA finals and winning the championship. Whatever it is, right? You can do that. See yourself at the next logical step. Maybe you're at the dinner and everybody's saying congratulations. Hey man, I just want to say congratulations. And they're like, cheers, or you're doing a cheers with everybody. Hey, cheers on my accomplishment of winning XYZ, right? Or your friend or your parents, somebody saying, hey, I want to do cheers for my son who just accomplished, or daughter who just accomplished XYZ. Congratulations, cheers, boom, boom, boom. Whoo, that feels good. Even I feel like I accomplished something, but but I was seeing it in my mind. Okay, so that's how you use your imagination. And then you implement logic. You implement reason, okay? Because you think about the next logical steps that are coming in, okay? I hope you like this one. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If this resonated with you, share it with somebody that you love, okay? Till next time, peace. And I love you.